Accept energy recovery wheel, energy recovery ventilators. Rotary desiccant dehumidifier is our another quality product. During these 18 years, we have accumulated rich experience in R&D and production of rotary dehumidifiers. Rotor brand rotary desiccant dehumidifiers have been adopted by different type projects, such as pharmaceutical factories, paper mills, laboratories, lithium battery factories, hospitals, etc. The professional technical team and R&D engineers provide us with strong support in units debugging and after-sales service. In response to the needs of different projects, our rotary desiccant dehumidifiers are divided into 4 major categories, including dehumidifier functional section, basic dehumidifier, modular dehumidifier unit, and low dew point dehumidifier. Dehumidifier functional section can be flexibly assembled into the modular air handling unit and perfectly matches the functional sections of your AHU to control temperature and humidity. Basic rotary desiccant dehumidifier can be used to adjust humidity, but doesn't have temperature control function, so it usually needs to run with an air conditioning system to achieve the control of temperature. Modular rotary dehumidifier unit. It is like modular air handling unit. Different functional sections can be combined flexibly. Except the dehumidification function, various functional sections of the air handling unit can be flexibly combined into the modular rotary dehumidifier unit. For example, fresh air and return air chamber, air filters, cooling coil, heating coil, energy recovery wheel or plate heat recovery, electric heater, wet film humidifier, electrode humidifier, sound attenuator, and so on. The special unit structure of low dew point dehumidifier allows it to treat indoor humidity to an extremely low level. Relative humidity can be below 1% at a minimum, reaching an almost absolutely dry state with a dew point of -70 degrees Celsius. Numerous options ensure that your project design and pricing plans are more flexible. Rotor team keenly look forward to your contact.